Gypsy Rose Blanchard starts posting on IG following prison release. Gypsy Rose Blanchard, recently released from prison, shares her joy on Instagram, expressing gratitude for the support she received. After serving 7 years for her role in her mother's murder, Blanchard talks about her upcoming Lifetime docuseries, The Prison Confessions of Gypsy Rose Blanchard, premiering on January 5th. By the way, we just posted Rihanna gushes about son Arze being a big brother to Riot in our newsletter. Gypsy emphasizes her ebook, Released, Conversations on the Eve of Freedom, as a reflection on her experiences. Click the link in profile to subscribe to our newsletter and get free access to our ebook.